Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Siri on the lock screen of iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit to go to the Face ID and passcode. And then you need to enter your passcode. So once you have done it, swipe down and you can find below the section Allow Access Unlocked, and here you are going to find Siri. Now the Siri is off, so let me show you that. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Even if I press and hold the lock button, nothing happens because now the Siri is disabled when the iPhone is locked. So let me just change the settings. So again, Face ID and passcode, type your passcode, go down and enable Siri when iPhone is locked. So now let's lock the iPhone. Hey Siri. As you can see, now Siri is now on. Also, if I say Siri, I don't have this feature on, honestly, so let's just tap and hold the side button. As you can see, Siri is now on as it would be on the home screen or wherever in the iPhone when it is unlocked. So again, how to get to the setting. So just open main settings, swipe down, Face ID and passcode, type your passcode, swipe down again, and here you can enable Siri when the iPhone is locked or disable. So as you can see, this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!